Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. How are you? Okay, welcome to this session in which we will discuss the exponentation, Olympiad exponentation, as explained in this video by yeah, Al Amatz. Yeah, and it's a nice presentation. It tells you all the steps, right? So our process, uh, what we are going to do the same using the Excel. How we do this? The experimentation is done this way that you use, say, for example, you have to uh, take an experimentation of 3, right? Then you write the 3, and uh, then you strike this. This is the experimentation part. It's a caret sign which is used for experimentation. Now, after this, whatever the number you write, for example, 2, then it takes you the 3 square. The 3 square is like this, right? Instead of 2, if you write some cell reference, for example, you write cell reference here, D3. Okay, so D3 is at the moment is 0, so 3 raised to power 0 is 1. Anything raised to power 1 is there. Okay, so if you put 2, that's right. Okay, if you uh, increase this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, so and you copy this in here, so you get all these exponentations in which the base is 3. Then 3 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 3, 3 raised to power 4, 3 raised to power 5, and so on, right? So what to do for this presentation? How to get something? What should be the D so that the 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 72, right? So this is the sum. 3 into 3 into 3 raised to power D into 3 raised to power D into 3 raised to power 3. D is that should be 72. So let's highlight this cell, which we are going to take as what you'd say, hmm, I want to color it, okay? Hmm. Say, right, let me color it, right? This is my way of telling you that this is our X, okay? So it's a D. In our, where it is D, okay? So instead of 2, instead of D3, we will may move it to what? To F. Right. That's so let's make 3 raised to power. This is F, right? Okay. So this we have to determine what is that, okay? And then we remove, and we do one thing is here that we remove this, okay? So this is our D, is and here it is so instead of we want to show it as a D, not F2. So for this we have to rename it as a D. Okay, this is renamed as D. So this will now it's possible for you that you can use D as your yeah, experimentation, right? Okay, so 3 raised to power D is this. And then uh, you want another 3 raised to power D. So let's copy it down. So this is again So we want another. So this is 3. Okay. So all these are 3 raised to power d. Okay. Okay. 3 raised to power d are these 3. Okay. So, and when we multiply all these them, so, so this multiplied by the second and multiply by third, right? So this is 1. And this we want to set to be 72. This has to be set to 72. Okay. Uh, so we color this as well. Okay. So let's color it. So this is our target cell, and we want to have it to be as soon as it reaches 72. Our objective is achieved to find the value of t, right? Fair enough. So what we do here is that find the value of d is through uh, the what if analysis, go to goal seek, in which we are supposed to enter which cell you want to set. We want to set this cell. Hmm? And to what? To what value? We want this to reach 72, not more. Okay. And by changing what cell? By changing this cell. Okay. Click OK. So it has found the value, and the value of 3, the value of D is 1.2975 this. Okay. So this is the Excel way of doing this. Now let's see now to find out the final result. What we do, we multiply, we write this expression is 2. Let's say that is 2 plus yeah. So as shown in the video, we have seen the solution. The solution expression is converted into the Excel formula in 3 parts. First is the 2 that is going to be added. Yeah, this is the E6 is the 2. It is going to be added with the F6 multiplied by G6, and this whole thing means 2 plus F6 plus G6. This whole thing divided by 3, not 2. Okay, previous in some parts of the video you see that it is divided by 2, so that is causing problem. So the right thing is that divide by 3, right? And so we connect this cell to this value of D, right? So H6, yeah. And when it reaches, it automatically resolves the 3 raised to power D, the 3 raised to power D, the 3 raised to power D, all are multiplied together. And this gets you the desired result, that is 72. The equation which was given is satisfied. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.